Good morning there, farming people, gardening people out there. Bobby here today. Hey folks, we're out by the garden and we're gonna add some pole beans today. So stay tuned, I'll show you how we get this done. Okay folks, as you can see, we got our garden here. I'm standing at the back of it here and we have our bush green beans growing back here. And we have some that we actually planted first right here. They're actually do have some green beans on them. They're not totally loaded yet, but I did pick a few the other day and cooked them up in a pot, and boy, they sure did taste good. We will definitely have 2 stages of green beans. Like I say, these right over here, these 3 rows I planted first, and then a few weeks later, these here got planted. It might have been 3 weeks later. And it was all due to the fact that I did have corn growing back here, but the squirrels started digging up the corn seeds and I got kind of frustrated with it, and I said, the heck with it, y'all can have it all, and decided to just plant green beans here instead. So we got like a second round here that we'll get to go. But then I got to thinking, I had these pole bean seeds. Let me show them to you. I got 2 packs of them right here. Just see, I had bought these and I didn't use them, and pole beans will grow up a fence or something like that. So I decided I'd just go right out here on the back side of the garden all the way down 25 foot. And I'm gonna take a hoe and maul and this set of post hole diggers, these 3 tools right here. And I'm gonna see if I can dig up the dirt a little bit, and I'm gonna plant these seeds all the way down through here. So watch me friends as I do this, and we're gonna get her done. Okay folks, that was a nice little morning workout. We got us a nice little trench here dug up, and probably about, I don't know, 3 inches deep or so. And we've raked us out a little trough in there to lay our seeds. So let's go ahead and open up this pack of pole beans, and we're gonna plant them about 3 or 4 inches apart. Let's get started. Okay, here's our beans. We're going to tear open the pack. Not sure if we'll need both of them or not, but I'm just gonna go and pour them all out in my hand. Let's see, let's read what it says here on the back. If I don't have my glasses, but does recommend 3 to 6 inches of spacing, and plant them about 1 to 1.5 inches deep, which is about what our trough is. So we're just going to pour them out in our hand, and that's what they look like, guys. Good old Blue Lake green bean seeds there, and there's one more in there. We'll go ahead and plant these about 3 to 6 inches apart like it says, and then we'll kick the dirt over it. Okay friends, that pretty much wraps it up for today on our planting of the pole beans on the back of the fence here. We will definitely keep you updated on that as we do a DIY vegetable garden update video about once a month or so. We've been doing them and showing you the progress of our little garden here at the house. And we look forward to seeing you then. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And once again, I always have to throw this in. I did write a book on my fitness journey. It's called The Personal Body Makeover. And if you would like to purchase a copy of that, there will be a link down below. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you next time. Take care.